Okay, one of the things that very important is that when we come to the scenarios, there might be, typically might be two. The first one is as if, as in a horse, that we have an intercom with the panel inside. So we just did it the same way as this column, right? But the point is that when we have multi rooms like apartments, so we have one intercom, probably makes like hundreds of rooms. So we want to just call specific one room. So there's a way to do it. So for example, the panels, we have the intercom one, we'll be able to give the number of the room. So if we have take this, for example, it's a 000 and 2. So on the intercom, we dial 000 and 2.
Connecting.
So it goes all the way to this panel. So for example, this one, in the intercom, we have the number of 000 and 4. Okay, style 000 and 4.
Connecting.
So the calls goes to this panel. So far we support up to 9,999 rooms.